Andrew is here with health news and an inspirational story about a woman who used her own pain and suffering, you might say, to help others.
This woman, Tom, is really remarkable. You know, she's helping women cover up their cancer scars, also helping people with other skin problems like alopecia, people who've lost their hair, and now a teen with vitiligo. And she took up the art of cosmetic tattooing after she herself ran out of options to cover up her own scars.
It took me 3 years to actually play around with different pigments and see what actually works and what doesn't. I was just in a position where I had really nothing to lose.
At just 2 years old, Basma Hamid was left discolored and disfigured after a horrific kitchen accident. More than 100 surgeries later and years of physical and psychological pain, she learned how to erase the stark reminder of her burns.
I've tattooed this entire area.
Now she's teaching others the unique art.
And you always have to inform the client of every single step.
And she's committed to changing the lives of others one treatment at a time. Basma has been donating her services for the last couple of years for people with skin problems and scarring. And while the treatments can get into the thousands of dollars, it's not only saving her clients money, but they're walking into her business with a renewed sense of confidence.
Hi Priya,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good.
Good
How
to
are
see you.
Yeah.
We did a little patch test here.
19-year-old Priya has
I've
vitiligo, a
lost
skin condition
almost
where
all the
pigment
color.
is lost.
It's starting out now at the tips of her fingers.
The teen is often in the spotlight, modeling, acting, and physically judged.
Like, I felt like it was affecting my auditions and interviews, and they see it on my hand, and then sometimes they ask me like what it is.
So we're gonna add a little bit of pigment in there.
Last year alone, Basma donated 25 grand worth of treatment, but the payback for her is priceless.
They start to look you straight into your eyes and they feel so much better, and you see that transformation happening right in front of you. So it's been really wonderful.
What a great story. You don't normally equate tattooing with cosmetics.
No, not at all. And you know, as we mentioned, she's worked on cancer victims, people who have the scarring due to breast cancer, among other cancers. And you'll notice too that pigment looked a lot darker where she was tattooing, but it lightened, so eventually it will match Priya's skin. So she'll probably work with Priya for the next 6 months or so. And for more information on her Survivors Foundation, you can head to citynews.ca and of course click on FYI.